Hello Skywinders, welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode we are looking at the Vostok Turbina, Vostok Amfibia Turbina. And this is what I got today. We're going to pull it up. And now let's get some scissors. As you probably already know, I already own another Vostok. And I get this for free. That looks beautiful. So let's compare it to the other one. Let me get it. So this is it right here. They're basically the same watch, they're just slightly different. So anyway, let's keep opening it up. Wow. And that is one nice clicky bezel. So the bezel is the same as the red one, but this one does not have a AM and PM indicator. So this one does on the left and this one does not, although this one does have a second hand and this one does not. This one only has hour and minute. Okay, so we're going to be testing it for the next few days, and we're going to be doing a water test. We're going to submerge it in water and see how it performs. Okay guys, so now it's time to check the lume. So we're going to go indoors when it gets a good sunlight charge. And we're going to see how it performs. So let's just wait for a while. Let's get it a little closer to the sun so it charges faster. That was just a joke. Anyway, let's go inside. And there you go. You can see that the bezel is also illuminated. And my phone doesn't want to focus. Okay guys, so we are going for a walk so we can get to know the Vostok Amfibia Turbina. Does look very nice. You absolutely enjoy it when you're wearing it. You just can't ignore it. It's a beautiful afternoon today. We're in August. It's nice and warm, but it's not too hot. So we're in the shade. This is how it looks in the shade. So let's go towards that bird over there. Let's cross the street. Let's see if that bird will notice us. Looks nice. So like I said before when I was unboxing this watch, is that this watch does not have that that day and night indicator that the other one has. Let me show you the other one, the one that I'm talking about. Let me put it on so we can make a comparison. Okay, so this is the other one, the one that I reviewed a while back, and I'm only wearing them both. Let me wait for those cars to go. I'm just wearing them both so I can show you the differences. I would never wear two watches, but let's walk away from the cars. Okay, so we got away from the cars, and here we are in the shade. And like I was saying, the one on the left, the red one, has that day and night indicator. As you can see, it's starting to turn into nighttime. But the one on the right, the black one, does not have that day and night indicator. It also doesn't have that that on the top left. I'm gonna try to get away from the water because there could be a gator there. On the top left, there isn't that turbine. That the red one has that turbine, the black one does not. But what the black one does have that the red one doesn't have is the second hand, and I do like that because at a glance, when you look at it, you can't tell that it's running. There's no reason why it shouldn't be running, but I like to know that it's running, that it's powered. You can also see that the hands are a little bit different. And the mosaic on the back is about the same, but the black one on the center has those vertical lines. I'm going to try to keep this review short, so I'm not going to talk any more about this because the other one that I made was way too long, and I think people get bored at these long reviews. So overall, I think this is a great watch. And do I recommend it? Yes, 100%. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a little heavy on the heavy side. And that's probably my only complaint. I wish the numerals were bigger. I wish the numerals were like the ones on the left, but the whole 1 through 12, because they're kind of small. But everything else is great about this watch, so I do recommend it 100%. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.